Good morning. Happy Sunday to all. For lunch, I'm going to deep fry my bean curd. It's a soft bean curd. I let it drip for a while and then I sprinkled some fine salt. Here is the sauce for after you deep frying your bean curd. Here's the sauce for that. Chopped garlic, fine. Chopped chili, fine also, and the green one is parsley. I add some salt, fine salt, and sugar and water. If you want sour, you add lemon or calamansi. But if you don't like sour, just plain water will do. And I already prepared salad and then choy sam. So my oregano doing well, and the mother oregano almost reach on the roof top of our kitchen here. Okay, thank you for watching.